This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Pickney Lane. Beautiful townhome condo located in the heart of Chesapeake. Featuring an amazing open floor plan, a first floor bonus room, a sleek modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a pantry, and a balcony to relax, relate, and release. The owner's suite includes serene living with custom closets, dual sinks, and a beautiful floor-to-ceiling tiled shower. The sought-after community area includes playgrounds, pool, a clubhouse, exterior maintenance, trash pickup, and more. Conveniently close to shopping, beaches, bases, interstates, and more. Schedule your showing today before this home is long gone. September 5, 2024 for more.